PLC stands for Programmable Logic Control. It helps to control industrial process. PLC transmits the written program from the computer to the relays through the interface circuit and controls and launches the devices according to the mentioned program. This equipment is used in the factories and industrial environments to control motor pumps, lights, ventilation systems, circuit breakers, and other machinery. PLC modules are AutoCAD blocks which contains features and can be inserted as independent symbols. Let's learn how to insert them into drawing. To do that, in the schematic tab of the ribbon and also in the Insert Components panel, you can see Insert PLC tool and choose Insert PLC Parametric. In the Display dialog box, a list of PLC modules are available. You can select the plus sign and also find the desired PLC modules. When you select your needed module, the detailed information of your chosen module will be shown in this part. In the Graphics Style area, two sources of graphical style are given. The first column from 1 to 5 contains predefined PLC styles and the other side consists of user-defined PLC styles. Moreover, you can insert PLC module vertically or horizontally by choosing one of these options. To display the report of your selected module, the List button can be used. After specifying your required features like graphics style module and the scale, you can select OK button. Then in the command line, you will be prompted to specify the insertion point for your PLC module. Place it wherever you want, and in the next part, the module layout dialog box will be displayed. The first area spacing edit box is for specifying the spacing between the input and output points of a module. In addition, to write the value in this spacing edit box, you can use the arrow button to change the spacing value. When I change the spacing value, the length of PLC is changing alternatively. In the next area, there are two options which make it possible to insert the PLC module completely without any break or insert it with breaks, which means that the module can be divided to several parts based on your requirement, or you can add a spacer between the inputs or outputs instead of inserting them completely. I will back to this part and explain it in more details. By pressing OK button, the next dialog box will be displayed. In this part, you have to define the numbers of racks and slots. As you know, racks are available in different sizes and depending on the controller requirement to hold the modules together, they are used. These racks are responsible for powering the modules and their signaling connection. Each module occupies a space on the rack called the slots. By using the arrow buttons on the left side of the rack or slots edit boxes, you can increase or decrease the values. Depending on the PLC module, these options can be defined. After doing this part, you can choose OK. And finally, the selected module will be inserted.